Did you know that amending your email in iTax is a quick and easy process that can help you stay up to date with all your tax-related communication from KRA? Well, in this video, I'll take you through the process step by step so you can easily amend your email address in the iTax platform. To change your email address in iTax, follow these simple steps. And the step number 1 is to visit the KRA iTax portal through your preferred browser. Then enter your PIN or your user ID. This is your KRA PIN. Continue, then enter your password, your iTax password. Once you're logged in, click on the registration tab on the menu bar. Then select amend PIN details from the drop-down list. From there, it will bring you to this section where you're supposed to select the mode of amendment. And in our case, the mode is online form. And in this section, we have 5 tabs. We'll first click on the PIN box and select basic information, since changing your email is part of the basic information. And in this section is where your basic information for your KRA PIN is contained. So for you to change your email, we'll change it from the principal contact details. Change the main email address. You can also change your mobile number. Then submit the changes. Once you've submitted the changes, you will receive a confirmation message in your new email address.